Let's we see vector operation. Here, vector capital A having 3 elements 2, 4, 6. Now we are going to add A plus 2. A plus 2, the answer is 4, 6, 8. The element 2, add with first element, that is 2 plus 2, 4, then 2 plus 4, then 2 plus 6. The answer is 4, 6, 8. Each operation will be applied element wise. In vector, each operation, it may be plus, minus, multiplication, division or modulo division. Each operation will be applied element by element. Element wise operation is done in vector. For example, one more vector B is equal to C of 3, 4 and 2. The elements of B 3, 4 and 2. Now we are going to add A and B, A plus B. The answer is element wise operation. The first element from capital A is 2. The first element from capital B is 3. So 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. Then the second element from capital A 4. Second element from capital B 4. 4 plus 4. Then third element from first vector, that is 6. Third element from second vector, that is 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Our answer is 5, 8, 8. You want to subtract two vectors, A minus B. You want to multiply two vector, A star B. Division, A slash B. Modulo division, A. Modulo division, A. B. It is used to find modulo division. 5 operations are there. The first one is A plus B, then A minus B, A star B, A divided by B, then A modulo division B. These are the operations in vector. Let's we see how to create vector using the predefined method sequence, SEQ. SEQ of from, it's starting from 1, 2, it ends with 4, length dot out. Here I want to divide the sequence into 3 parts. Then length dot out is equal to 3. This is my vector. It is starting from 1 and it ends with 4. From the first attribute starting from 1, the second attribute 2. That is end value. The end value is 4 and I want to divide the vector into 3 parts. So, it having 3 division. Again, sequence of, if suppose the vector starting from 4, I want to end the vector 8 and length dot out equal to 2. I want to divide the vector into 2 things. That is the vector having 2 values. Now it's starting from 4 and the end value is 8, length dot out. That is the vector having 2 elements. Again, the same thing. Now I want to divide the vector into 3 things. The vector element is 3. So, our output is 4, 6, 8. It's starting from 4 and the end element is 8 and length dot out equal to 3. So, the vector should have 3 elements. So, the answers are 4, 6, 8. Now I want 4 elements. Then the vector starting from 4 and the end element is 8. The vector having 4 elements. This is the use of sequence of method in R. Repeat. Rep of. It is used to repeat the content, repeat the element. Rep of the value is 8, 5. The value 8 is repeated 5 times. Answer is 8 at 5 times. You want to assign to one variable, one vector, then A equal to rep of the value, how many times? 6. The answer A, 7 times the value 7. And one more example, capital B is a vector. The predefined method rep, that is repeat. It is used to repeat the same element. Here B equal to repeat of 4, 2. Our answer B is the value 4 at 2 times. Then one more example, the vector capital C, the method repeat of C of, I want to repeat the sequence of element. So C is a method, it is used to create a vector. C of 1, 2, 3. I want to repeat the element 1, 2, 3 at 3 times. Now my answer C equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The sequence 1, 2, 3 is repeated at 3 times. Then one more thing, capital D, again one more vector, capital D equal to repeat of method of C of 1, 2, 3. I want to repeat each element at 2 times. So one more variable, one more word, each equal to 2. Now my vector D, each element is repeated at 2 times. 1, 1. Again, the predefined method name is rep. It is used to repeat the content, repeat the element. The syntax is rep of the element, how many times? 8, 5. The element 8 is repeated 5 times. Then one more thing, you can repeat the sequence of values. You can repeat the sequence of value. Here, sequence of values are 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 will be repeated at 3 times. C is a vector. The syntax repeat, rep. Rep is a predefined method. It is used to repeat the element. Rep of C of 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to repeat the sequence of element 1, 2, 3 at 3 times. Our answer is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then one more thing, each. It is used to repeat each element at the particular time. For example, D is a vector. D is equal to repeat of the sequence is 1, 2, 3, each equal to 2. Now, each element is repeated at 2 times. This is the difference between this one and each. Let's see the usage of the method names. Names of is a predefined method. It is used to provide name to each and every element in the vector. For example, the vector capital A having value 31, 28, 31, 30. The element capital A, the variable, the vector capital A having 4 elements. The first element is 31, second element 28, third element 31, fourth element 30. Now we are going to give name to each and every element using the method names. Names of capital A equal to C of the first element Jan, the second element name is Feb, the fourth element name is March, the third element name is March, the fourth element name is April. So name for each and every element. The name should be, you want to include name, you should be write the name in between double quotes. Now you can access 31 using the corresponding name Jan, that is capital A of Jan. The answer is 31. Capital A of April. The answer is 30. The use of names method. Names of method, it is used to provide name to each and every element in the vector. Thank you.